welcome to yet another video from Rovian Automotive powered by Autobacs India.
Through the shadows, through the night, we'll keep burning, chasing light. Every storm will rise above, holding strong in endless love. No ending, just one vow. Forever starts right now. Stay till the last dawn fades away. Love's the reason we fight. We stay through the dark. We'll never sway. Together till the last dawn breaks.
Forged in Russia, this rival bumper is built with the same toughness and precision as the weapons they are known for. It delivers unmatched protection, aggressive style, off-road ready and making this Hilux unstoppable as it looks. The rival bumper is not just about looks, it is engineered for real-world performance. The rival bumper package for Hilux includes the front bumper heavy-duty steel, integrated grills that add strength and bold aggressive front look, bash plate that shields the underbody from rocks and tough terrain, dual front recovery points built for secure and reliable towing or winching. Despite being a premium upgrade, this is built with high-strength aluminum, making it half the weight of any conventional off-road bumper while being really strong. This means less stress on your suspension, better handling and uncompromised protection. We have loaded this Hilux with a lot of powerful lights in the front, and this is the Infinite 7 series and all these lights are from Hypersonic, and this is a Focus Max 5. As you can see, we have mounted a pair of Hypersonic Infinite 4 on the hood of this car, and this looks extremely cool and it is really very powerful. This is mounted on a ProMan adjustable dual clamp. So in this clamp you can mount two lights and this side of the lights are adjustable. And ProMan is a very good brand and this brand is from India. They manufacture amazing products and their quality is unbeatable. On the rear part also we have added a pair of Hypersonic Nightbuster V2 lights and it is mounted on this bolt-on roof rail. We have added a total lift of 3-inch with the suspensions in this car, and the suspension upgrade that we have chosen for this car is the Profender King series, and we have upgraded all the components that is related to the suspensions, like the upper control arm is upgraded. We have also upgraded the sway bar links, and to attain this 3-inch lift apart from the 2-inch that we get from the suspension, we have added a front leveling kit and we have also added a front differential drop kit. On the rear part also we have added a block lift to attain the lift, and the rear suspension is also from Profender, that is a piggyback, and all 4 suspension is having remote reservoirs, that is the nitrogen subtank. It has 8-step terrain management system, and this suspension, as you know, it performs really well and this is one of the best choice for your Toyota Hilux. The sway bar links, the rear block lift and the floor mats of this car are from a brand called Buzzard Racing. Do check out Buzzard's products. They have really nice collection of products for performance parts, interior parts for your SUVs and off-road cars. We have also added a metal rock slider pro footstep for this Toyota Hilux. It not only looks good, it is very accessible and very useful, and it is also very strong for your off-road capabilities. This is a Toyota GR Sports OEM style ABS roll bar installed for this car. You must have seen the original Toyota GR Sports car in different countries, and for that car this comes OEM from the factory. There is one very essential and useful add-on for this car that we have installed on the rear lower part, and that is the JS1 balance arms. The JS1 rear balance arms are designed to give your Hilux superior stability and control both on-road and off-road. These arms keep your Hilux stable and safe by reducing body roll, improving traction and protecting your suspension under heavy loads or tough terrains. We have also added this rivet style fender flares for this car, and it is installed non-painted. It comes in black matte finish and it is directly installed in this car. It not only looks good, it is very useful. When you install such kind of huge tires, usually the mud gets splashed on the body of the car. This helps in protecting from that. Each and every upgrade in this car are carefully selected and installed, making this car practically very usable. We have done a 4-layer damping on all 4 doors and 2-layer damping on the bonnet. An interior roof of the stock Hilux comes in beige color and we have converted it into black color. On the tailgate, we have installed a tailgate lock, tailgate struts and rear tailgate spoiler. On the side, we have also installed this GR Sports door visors. Unlike any deck cover I have ever used, this one feels very strong and very durable. Even after jumping on it, it doesn't even move a little bit. With its rugged finish, it keeps your cargo safe from weather, theft and rough use, all while adding a premium adventure-ready look for your truck. Crafted from high-strength aluminum, this deck cover gives your Hilux a perfect blend of style, durability and security. So we have installed this aux beam 8-gang switch panel, which is the ultimate control hub for all your vehicle accessories. This sleek compact design lets you manage up to 8 different lights or devices from one single panel. There is no messy wirings, no clutters. This makes night driving effortless, while built-in circuit protection keeps everything safe. One smart system that replaces multiple switches saves space, simplifies the installation and gives your cockpit a clean and professional look. This Prado style steering upgrade is a very unique add-on. It looks very elegant, very clean, and it even improves the handling of this vehicle. All these buttons are functional. This airbag also comes with this steering. Even this cruise control is functional, and I really like the driving and the style of the cockpit of this car after installing this steering wheel. As you can see, we have upgraded this with a black Renault Arsenal military design 17-inch wheels, and it is wrapped in a Maxxis Racer 285/70 R17 tires. That's it for today. So please let us know your opinion about this highly practical upgrade we have done in this Toyota Hilux in the comment box. Also, let us know which one is your favorite upgrade and what would you like to see next. So stay tuned for more videos. Until then, this is Sachin signing off from Rovian Automotive, powered by Autobacs India.